In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your wallet address on the Crypto.com app in this 2025 tutorial. Understanding how to find your wallet address is essential for facilitating transactions and ensuring you can share your address with others when needed. So let's dive in and explore the steps together, making sure you're equipped to handle this important task. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Crypto.com homepage. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or using a shortcut if you have one saved. Once the page is fully loaded, you should see various options and features that Crypto.com offers to enhance your cryptocurrency experience. Next, direct your attention to your profile icon. This is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on your profile icon is a crucial step as it opens up a menu with various settings and personalized options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to tailoring your Crypto.com experience and accessing critical functionalities such as finding your wallet address. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see several options displayed. Look for and select the Settings option. The Settings page is essentially the control center for your account, where you can customize your experience, manage security features, and make adjustments specific to your needs. Accessing the settings is vital for revealing the next step in the process. With the Settings page now open, the next step is to click on the PayString option. PayString is an innovative function that allows you to manage your wallet details and personal identifiers in a streamlined way. This step is particularly significant as it leads you directly to the section where your wallet address will be displayed. PayString is designed to simplify the process, ensuring you have quick access to your essential wallet information. Finally, as you've reached the PayString section, you'll be able to see your wallet address prominently displayed. This address is your cryptocurrency identity and is crucial for sending and receiving payments securely. Make sure to double check your address and copy it accurately when you need to share it, as any discrepancies could lead to transaction issues. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding your wallet address on the Crypto.com app. Now, whether you're buying, selling, or transferring cryptocurrency, you'll always have your wallet address at your fingertips ready to streamline your transactions. This process ensures you can manage your crypto assets confidently and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content on navigating the world of cryptocurrency with ease.